I don't get it. Why 16 by 10 become a recent boom in laptop? Monitors are just stuck with 16 by 9 or ultra wide. Where the hell is a good 16 by 10 monitor? Never mind. I have got one.
Holy mother!
Trust me, you won't find any new review on this monitor for a long time. Basically, everything in the box are just the same as its 4K shipping, U27 and U32-23QE. You might or might not know this, but it was released the same day as its 4K shipping. Cable that included in the box are power cord, Type-C Gen 2 cable, Type-C to A Gen 2 cable, and DisplayPort cable. Very much like in the video, this monitor size is a bit over around A2 paper, with all connectivity ports borrowed from its 4K shipping, except one less Type A port. At front left, we have each one of Type C and Type A. The display spec itself is 30-inch with 7560 by 1600 resolution that also comes with 95% of DCI-P3. If you will, you can rotate the display and use it as a display for document processing, just like this. On gaming aspect, I find it quite a lot more useful and immersive than 16 by 9 monitor. Or you can enjoy watching video as well. A huge shout out to my friend Lord Bud.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing that I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just went for my own. More than you get right now. Make my wish come true. I want a lawyer.
Shut that up! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to burly subscribe and be ready for the next interesting video.